taken the cheat sheet version of this. It's pretty hard to open up any website today that has anything to do with healthcare, and there's not a story about AI or agentic AI. You guys do a lot of that kind of work with
Yeah, we
healthcare
do.
organizations.
It's a great point. It's amazing how much interest and how much AI just captures every conversation that we're a part of. We're really excited actually at the conference this week. We are launching our first ambient listening model. So we have 10 different AI models, but this is our first ambient listening model for a virtual care assistant to support bedside triage, operational triage. So think about, let's say a care team member needs a second pair of hands. Our virtual care assistant's name is Vicky, by the way.
I just saw Vicky around the corner.
Yeah, Vicky's pretty incredible. Care team member can say, hey, Vicky, I need a second pair of hands to help me with this wound care with this particular patient. And then Vicky will ask a couple of clarifying questions. Something goes to a coordinator who can then find somebody to bring to the bedside.
It's really interesting too, in the conversation that we just had with Vicky, the patient can say something like, I think I have a tummy ache, or something like that. That would be very colloquial. That's the way that we would describe it. But she actually converts it into like the medical diagnosis, the heads up for the next clinician to come in. Check for stomach pain.
We've worked with Oracle and NVIDIA, and that's allowed us to take advantage of some of the tools that they have. And so that means that, like you said, Vicky can understand the connection between tummy and abdominal pain, can understand the concept of I want to go home and how that relates to discharge, all of those things. And part of that means that we have to be really clear about what we expect AI to do. This AI model that we've brought here to the conference is focused on operational bedside ambient listening. But then you think about also, our system needs to be a gateway for other algorithms. Our platform has microphones and speakers there in the room. How can we let other partners who do clinical documentation, for example, tap into our platform for capturing something and sending it into EMR?